gonna tell you here. Just gonna show you my Nerf Elite guns. My Nerf Elite guns that came from the series Elite. 4 of them right now. I'll start one by one, starting with the smallest one that I have. The Nerf Elite Disruptor. This one's a spring powered pistol blaster. It's pretty much another strong arm, but not really a strong arm, like a different strong arm. It's like the successor. I don't know. It's like pretty much same thing as the strong arm. Like it has like the same spring power, top prime, slam fire, but the disruptor, it doesn't pop out like you can see on the strong arm. This one, this is not the original color, by the way. This is a Amazon exclusive that I got from Amazon, obviously, Amazon exclusive. And I picked this one because I like the translucent red. And this is the dart that came with it, which is cool. So here's that is my Nerf Elite Disruptor. Second one. Here is my Nerf Elite. This is an old one. The Raider CS35. This is a pump action blaster. You pump it from here. And this has slam fire, which is cool. But the unique thing is it has a horizontal magazine. I have a 6-round magazine inside of here. Yeah, it has a horizontal magazine, which is pretty weird. Because if you're in a Nerf war, if you're using like a 12-round right there, you might clip. The mag might accidentally hit the door frame or something. So it happens. Also, here it has a stock attachment point. This is another Elite stock. This is the Stock 8 stock, which I attached to the Raider too. They have 2 tactical rails. Unfortunately, no barrel attachment, which I'm sad. So that is the Raider. Yeah, you might have seen the Rampage, which is, I guess, the successor. I mean, it's not really the successor. It's pretty much this is just the older version of the Rampage, pretty much. So that's the Raider. Next one, here's the Ruckus. The Ruckus is a spring-powered top prime again. Top prime clip-fed. Heard me, clip. But this clip does not come out. So yeah. So it shoots. It has 8 of the dart holes you can insert. It's a front loader, as you can see here. And the way how you use it, so you use the top right, and once you prime the thing, the clip moves up, and you can shoot. This has slam fire, which is, I really like slam fire on this. So yeah, that is the Ruckus. A good one. Next one, the final one, the Demolisher, the only motorized Elite blaster that I have right now. Okay, it is a motorized similar to the Strife. So if you hold on the thing, it will rev up, which I really like. 2 tactical rails, one on the side, one on here. The cool thing about the Demolisher, it has a missile thing. So you use this. You use like a, I don't know how you call it, I forgot. You use this and you jerk it back, and the missile will pop out. Unfortunately, when I got this blaster from Value Village, when I found it, it didn't come with the missile, which I'm disappointed. So yeah. So I've been only using the motorized part. So hopefully on Amazon. The the Fortnite rocket launcher is on sale. I might get it, so I can use the rocket launcher too. So I can add it to my Fortnite collection there, and to add the missile, use the missile from the rocket launcher to put in here. So yeah, that was the missile area. Here it includes a stock attachment point and a stock attachment point and a barrel attachment. My bad. Point on both sides, so you can add different stocks, like the zombie strike stock that I added to my demolisher. I don't have any other elite stocks other than the stockade, but I have it on my raiders, so this is my only stock left that I can only use. So don't mind that. Here is this is a retaliator barrel that I also found from Value Village, and I attached it to the demolisher because I didn't have a barrel attachment. And I also found the 12-round stick mag that came with the retaliators, which is cool. So yeah, that is my elite line. And if you don't know what color darts the elite elite line comes in, here's the dart. It's pretty much the original, but elite darts suck. Get waffle head darts. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya. Bye.